Yeah, welcome to the Akron for Srbijada. Hey, we had to park over here in additional park. I never parked here before. There's a lot of people. Yeah. Hey. This church got a lot of property and still it isn't enough. Yeah. A lot of visitors. And they erected a big tent out there. It's humid. The games are played out there. All kind of stuff. Yeah. Virginia, Ontario, Wisconsin, Illinois. That's what it's all about. Looks like whole pavilion is just for a food. Yeah. This music before. What I have here? It's a cabbage soup. Yeah, like similar like in Chicago. They prepare the cabbage soup special, cooking pot. It takes hours and hours, but it's delicious. It is delicious. Fantastic. I'm going now to feast myself, and then later on